Hey guys, welcome back to the Dum Dum channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the GoPro Adventure Kit. So here you can see it comes with the handler, which is a floating hand grip. Comes with a head strap, and I think this is one of their clip-ons that you can clip to your back strap or something. So I ordered a Hero 7 Black online. I haven't gotten it yet, and I'm filming this on my Hero 2014. So video quality is not gonna be that good. But yeah, let's get this thing open. How does this come out? Oh. Is that supposed to destroy the box? It comes in a pretty nice case. It's not a hard case, but it should do it for basic protection. Lifetime warranty. We've got the head strap, shiny plastic. We've got the quick clip, I think. Oh, it's padded here. The problem with this is if you clip it sideways, I think your GoPro will be in a portrait orientation, so you're gonna have to clip it to like a belt or like a strap or something, this way in or like this way up to get like landscape. Here we've got the handler. It's not very pleasant. I've got a dent on it, but oh well. Does this open? Yeah. Yeah, it feels very nice. It's like a foam grip of some sort. This, I'm thinking, should be for that. Some cardboard inserts, compartment here, you can put your SD card, so yeah, pretty nice. A bit sad about this, not sure if you can see it. It's like looks like someone gouged their fingernail into this. It fits it perfectly. Oh well, it's not like I'm gonna return it because of that or anything. Yeah. And this is the head strap. It's got a good quality strap. Oh, it's got like a gel insert, wavy pattern. It's padded here. So this part would be on your forehead. So you would on the back of your head. And this is on your forehead. So you'd want this to be padded anyway. Yep, so that's what's inside this adventure kit, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.